are, so the practices that Lendi executes are really noble, and also we admired the way that you students perform. And I don't know whether I have evaluated the same batch earlier, but anyway, wish you good luck, children. I'm happy to see you all, meet you, and nice talking to you all. Waiting for you to listen and record your responses. Okay? Thank you, sir. Haribabu, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It is fine, and we'll be always grateful to you. Always you are with us, and you are no more away from us. Always in the whole process, you are the part of us, and we both are working together. We'll grow together also, ma'am. Thank you so much. But the batch that you have evaluated last time was different from the one that we have now, and this is a new batch for you.
Okay, sir. Something new is always welcome.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. We have Mr. Santosh from California. Sir, I request you to introduce.
Hello, sir. Hello, all. My name is Santosh, and I'm a 2014 passed out from ECE. I still remember being in your shoes over there, listening to someone else. I could still recollect those moments. Basically, short my master's in electrical and computer engineering in US, and since then I've been living here, working for Abbott Labs as a product development engineer. And I really look forward to interacting with most of you. Thank you.
That's great, Santosh, and it is so crispy, short, and then very sweet. And this is the boy who has done a lot of work at Language Lab and yet to do the same even after he has become successful engineer and working outside our country. He, in one of his personal talks, he has mentioned that he would like to help a lot for most of the student friends. Hope on the other platform will definitely discuss this. And
Exactly.
it is my pleasure that Mr. Santosh is also with us. We have Ali Register ready or not, we'll see. If not, we'll go ahead with the internal examiner and the student's introduction. Right, session one, slot one. Shall we request Jessica ma'am to continue your internal introduction?
Sure, sir. A very, very good morning to everyone present here. Guys, would you like to say good morning to the members present here? Good morning, sir.
Morning.
All right. So I am Jessica, and I am a new faculty in English ELCS lab. And I'm proud to be a part of this, and also proud to be part of the exam that is being conducted. And it's a privilege to work with all of the members present here. And I hope that this continues in the future as well. So I hope we have a good rapport with each other. So see you. Let's work together. Thank you, sir.
And we also have introductions of your student friends, one or two,
Sure.
and their experience, in fact.
Sure, sir. We have, this is Triple A section, second year Triple A section. So we have Harish and Ajay who would like to talk a few words about the lab and how the subject has been helping them. Harish is going to go first.
I am Harish.
Was he properly connected?
Really a wonderful course. This helps us in many ways to face a final interviews. How to prepare a resume, group discussion, and soft skills ability, and to take a personal interview with an examiner will help us to face a real interview. ELCS lab, we learn so many things. We develop our communication skills, etc. My fellow Ajay will carry on.
Sir, excuse me. There is a lot of echo while you people are speaking.
As in, us ma'am, slot one, session one, or everyone, ma'am?
No, not only session one, but whoever is speaking, It's echoing.
Ma'am, I think it's problem on your end because I could hear them clearly.
Okay, now I'll check with my technician.
Yeah,
1
would you
minute.
mind
Thank
rejoining?
you.
Sometime rejoining will fix it.
Otherwise,
thank you,
can
Santosh.
you stop all your connectivities and then reconnect, ma'am?
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
So we have Ajay as well, who would like to give some inputs about his inputs on the lab and subject.
That's great.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ajay, sir. This CLCS lab helps to
Can I expect Mr. Satish to come little forward?
Even be louder, be louder.
Either a bit louder or he has to come little forward. Sit there and talk.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Ajay. The CLCS lab helps to the students in improving their language and speaking skills by conducting a various of activities like on speaking and on language, focusing on the grammar, everything, vocabulary, and then improving the just a minute sessions and self-introductions everywhere. The CLCS lab helps to the startup to the students on how to speak and how to continue forward with the English. Here there is a session of personal interview and also a resume making also. According to me, this language lab helps to students in improving their skills and speaking abilities, also communication skills in everywhere, and improving themselves while the taking of walk-in interviews, etc. Thank you, sir.
That's fantastic.
I would definitely support the student statement. I definitely support whatever the students have spoken, because this is such a great opportunity for them to learn, even from second years. I mean, if you look at the fourth years, they come to us begging us, can we have an extra class to attend, how to attend an interview? Can you please help us in such a way? So this is actually helping them out. Like Santosh sir has said, this might not be useful, this might not sound useful for them now, but once they hit the fourth year or once they hit the next year, they will get to know the importance of this. So I'm pretty sure all the students here are taking it seriously about EJS, that is for job seekers. So really thank you, Hari sir, for this subject. And we'll go with the next session.
That's great. And we have slot 1, session 2, ma'am Jyotsna and her batch. Are you ready? Slot 1, session 2, ma'am Jyotsna.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me now?
Yes, we hear you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Good morning, first of all, to all the externals present here. And I'm really glad that you're here today. I'm really happy to see you all. And I hope simply that your evaluation can be of help to our students. Because as already Jessica ma'am said, they might not know the importance of why we are conducting this kind of, evaluation and assessment right now, but after they leave the college and face the real world, they will definitely know, as per the words of Santosh sir. So I'm really glad you're here to evaluate our students justly. So thank you. And 2 of our students will be able to talk to you about their experience of ALCS lab. Yeah, but should your face come before? Okay. Come forward, this side.
All right, the hot seat is ready for session 2.
Good morning, sir. Respected. Yeah. Good morning to all the externals present here. When coming to the ELCS lab, the best concept or say for second seekers. For English for job seekers, there are so many important topics like group discussion, personal interview, resume, and resume. These important for us after the job, after the leaving our college. There are so many students and so many fourth years and the third years are asking to the Hari sir or English ma'ams and said, please conduct our class, conduct the English class. We don't know what to do or but we are very lucky students of the second years are very conducting from now. Thank you.
The part and the assignments we took in our EJS or English lab is very interesting, and it helped a lot in our upcoming future. I mean, our soft skills activity and the resume making, and now the personal interview, they help us a lot. I mean, they help us a lot in while facing the interview. They make us how to be confident and how to be bold and how to be interact in the hurdles we face in our interview.
So I'm really happy that my students have come forward to speak about their experience. And yeah, I'm really excited for this session. Thank you, Hari sir, for giving us this wonderful platform to exhibit our students and let them experience, how they have to experience the real world. So thank you so much.
That's great. Most of your body features too are being observed by the examiners. So I request session 2 candidates to put their numbers on their shoulder rather than their pockets, so that you'll be identified with your number well. And don't worry, on the virtual mode, everything is now possible. Kindly just allow your technology accessories to catch you well, your camera, your voice, cross-check several times. Don't worry before you are talking to your friend, your examiner, or your peer group, or your internal examiner. So go ahead well, and I'm very happy to have both slot 1 session 1 and slot 1 session 2 too. We are very happy. Ali Raja sir also has joined. Yes sir, we are only 3 minutes late of your what you call presence with us, but okay, you are there with us, sir. Thank you so much, Kadir sir. You are here with us. Ali Raja sir is there with us. And before Ali Raja sir introduces himself, I request session 3 slot 1, their examiner as well as student friends should interact with us. Is Ravya ma'am available?
Very good morning, sir, and good morning everyone present here. I am really happy and excited to work with you and feeling proud to be a part of this session. So sorry for the technical glitches, and we'll definitely be taking care of it. See, our students are also very excited. You can push everyone.
Wonderful.
Are they audible, sir?
Yeah. You are pretty much audible, visible also, ma'am. You look very
They are very
enthusiastic.
excited to see, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hearty welcome.
Actually, ma'am, you look more excited than them.
Yes, sir. Of course, it happens. Ali Raza, sir, hope everything is fine from your side, sir. I've been trying to contact you.
Perfect. I'm so sorry for the short delay. I just got stuck in traffic, but I tried to be in time. Anyway, I apologize if you got concerned.
You are in time. You are in time, Ali Raja sir. We understand. we understand. Namaste. We understand that you are with us always, and this time also I know that you cannot miss. So only missing part is your introduction, sir. I would like to have an introduction of yours for all of us. We have Mr. Santosh from California as an examiner sitting on Creators Hut. And we also have Dr. Sujani, an associate professor from Sri Vasavi Engineering College as examiner. And you are the other examiner, sir, in the 3 slots. So can you kindly introduce yourself to us? I know you are a wonderful old friend for us, but you know, for our students, your face is quite new. This is a new batch. I wanted you to talk back to them, sir.
Pretty nice. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm very happy to be with the team. As you know, I'm Ali Reza from Iran. I've been teaching English for over 16 or 17 years. And for the past 7 years, I've been working as IELTS examiner, both writing and speaking. Moreover, I'm a professional journal reviewer and editor. I work with 3 ISI journals, and English is my life, my love, my everything. You know, I live with my students, and it's really pleasure to me to be with your team. So if anything more needed, let me know.
This is really enough, sir, and we can understand what exactly your background is all together and how well that we are very much satisfied with one of the valid examiners that we are sending our students through. So definitely your presence is always helpful for us, sir. And now we have session 3 students, 1 or 2.